Have you ever walked through a hotel hallway and thought, why is the floor wearing a giant sweater? It looks fancy, feels soft, and somehow makes a hallway full of rolling suitcases sound less like an airport runway. I'm Professor Everything, and today we'll be answering the question, why do hotel hallways have carpet? Right here on Explaining Everything. A hotel hallway is basically an acoustic nightmare. Doors slam, shoes tap, suitcases rattle, housekeeping carts roll past like tiny construction vehicles, and at 2 a.m., there is always one person walking down the hallway with the confidence of someone who has never heard of sleeping guests. Hard flooring makes all those sounds worse because materials like stone, ceramic tile, and some hard plastics reflect sound rather than absorb much of it. A carpeted surface helps reduce noise from footsteps and rolling movements, especially impact sounds. This matters because hotel corridors are directly connected to guest rooms. Every loud footstep outside a door has the potential to become somebody else's unwanted alarm clock. Carpet doesn't make the hallway silent, of course. A suitcase with a bad wheel can still announce itself like a dying robot. But the soft, fibrous surface helps damp some of the noise before it spreads through the building. That's one reason acoustic performance is an important consideration when hotel corridor flooring is selected. Now here's the part that makes hotel carpet surprisingly technical. A hotel hallway might look peaceful, but underneath those elegant patterns is a flooring material dealing with a constant assault. Guests walk through carrying luggage. Wheels roll repeatedly along the same paths. Housekeeping carts travel back and forth. Maintenance equipment adds even more stress. Unlike a bedroom floor, a corridor concentrates traffic into narrow lanes, so certain areas can receive enormous amounts of repeated wear. That's why hotels don't simply buy the softest carpet they can find. Corridor carpet is usually engineered for commercial, high-traffic environments with attention paid to fiber durability, density, backing stability, and resistance to crushing. Some specifications are designed specifically to handle rolling luggage and service carts. Think of it like choosing shoes. You wouldn't wear fluffy bedroom slippers to run a marathon unless your life had taken a very strange turn. Hotel carpet has a similar problem. It needs to look comfortable while secretly being built like a tiny flooring tank. And because replacing hallway flooring can be disruptive and expensive, durability becomes a major part of the decision. Have you noticed that hotel hallway carpets often have complicated patterns? Swirls, lines, geometric shapes, colors that look like somebody dropped an abstract painting onto the floor. That isn't always a design accident. Busy or patterned carpets can make dirt, small stains, and traffic-related discoloration less visually obvious than a completely plain surface. That's particularly useful in corridors, where people constantly drag luggage, track in debris, and walk along the same central paths. The carpet also provides a visual way to make a long, repetitive hallway feel less sterile. A corridor can be hundreds of feet of room, 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 room. So designers use pattern, color, and texture to give the space some visual identity. Some hotel carpets are even custom designed around a property's aesthetic. In other words, The floor isn't merely surviving the guests. It's also helping create the hotel's personality. So yes, that strange carpet pattern may look like a map designed by a confused wizard, but it can be practical camouflage with a decorative job on top. There's another reason carpet keeps showing up in hotel corridors: the physical experience. Compared with many hard surfaces, carpet provides a softer, more forgiving surface underfoot. It can also offer traction and reduce the harsh feeling of walking across a large, hard corridor. But hotels can't simply choose any carpet and call it a day. Commercial flooring has to be selected according to performance requirements, installation standards, maintenance needs, and local building and fire safety rules. Carpet products can be tested for surface flammability, and commercial specifications may include requirements for fire performance and other building safety considerations. That means the final carpet is the result of several competing demands. It needs to survive heavy traffic, control noise, look attractive, remain maintainable, and satisfy safety requirements. Basically, hotel carpet has a resume longer than some people. And unlike your resume, it actually has to prove it can handle thousands of footsteps. So why do hotel hallways have carpet? Because a good corridor floor has to do much more than look fancy. Carpet can help reduce noise, handle heavy traffic, improve the feel of the space, and hide everyday signs of wear while fitting the hotel's design. In other words, hotel hallway carpet is there to do a job, not just decorate the floor. That mysterious hallway carpet isn't just decoration. It's doing overtime while you casually drag your suitcase across it at midnight. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. Also, if you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for tuning in, and join us next time here in the channel that answers all the why, what, who, where, and how questions you've always wondered about, here on Explaining Everything.